So hello everybody. So today I'm just gonna solve this problem. So regarding this YS serial. So while I was uh, getting an error making this executable, so let me just solve the problem. So if I just paste it over here, right, so what I get is error while generating or serializing the payload. So I could not create anything. So for this, what you need to do is so basically I am on Arch Linux. So what I would do is Arch Linux, right? Then let's check our Java version for now. So then let's do status. Now you can see the Java version. Our default one is 21, which is creating the problem. So in order to solve this, right, so let me just copy this name, and what I can do is come back and remove this status, and we should set is at this Java 8, and then it says to be on root. Then let's do sudo, then let's create that same thing, right? So let's do enter. Now it has been created, but let's do it with 64. I mean, it's right here. Now it has been successfully created and has been solved. Thank you guys.